Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, voiced screen recording. You just tap on it, then you have an option to record your screen with your voice or without your voice. Let's record some of my voice too, and recording starts in 3 seconds. Now let's record some of our screen, and if you want to stop recording, just tap on this button one more time, and recording will be saved to gallery. Let's go to the gallery, and you can find it in the screen record album. Here is our record. The voice is on.
Stop recording, just tap on this button.
And from here you can change, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.